Welcome to Network News. Breaking news. We are in need of anybody who needs their parts or components manufactured. We need your drawings immediately. The industry is in an epidemic crisis and we need your drawings. Please send them to the network immediately and hopefully we'll be able to save thousands of engineers starved of drawings. And in other news, Wilbar have invested in a
Hurco TM81 turning centre.
The guys at Monard Precision have joined MTD Network, not just to get some more inquiries, but also to enable them to showcase what they manufacture and branch out to a new and bigger audience. They have a great machine shop hosting both milling and turning capabilities. This gives them the ability to manufacture some high specification components, including F1 parts. It also gives them access to a range of engineers who could easily assist with areas that they don't currently have the capabilities for. Well, that's it from me this week. I hope that you keep asking and you will keep learning. See you later. Wow, I can't see a thing.